If you are like many others in the SAP community that like to help other community members finding correct answers to their questions, this video shows you one way of keeping track with new questions in the community. Coming from any community page, hover over Community and select Questions and Answers. If you would like to see questions from a certain topic, you can filter after your followed tags or browse in popular tags. Let's take this example. Are you an expert in BW SAP HANA data warehousing? Then click on the tag name. This will open a page with all questions tagged with BW SAP HANA data warehousing. You can find the Follow button on the right upper corner. You then have the possibility to filter the page results for answered and unanswered questions. Please note that answered questions might not be solved yet, as the question author has not accepted a correct answer yet. The green highlighted box indicates that the question was answered correctly. Let's look into the Unanswered tab. Now, by clicking on the title, you will open the question. If the question is missing details or you would like to clarify the question, click on Comment and enter your comment. Then click Submit. If you think you know the correct answer, type your answer below and click on Submit. To review your answers, you can go to your dashboard. Coming from your profile, then go to your left-hand side and select Content below Content and Following. When you click on Answers, that's where you will find your answers provided to the community. If you want to get notified per email about incoming questions or comments to your answers, then please watch the tip in a minute how to set your email notifications.